Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something that's boggling my mind a little bit. It's kind of fantastic and kind of I don't know what. I'm still struggling with my back pretty bad, but I just had to do something today, and here's what I did. I went down in the basement and dug out my old 2-stroke weed whacker, grass trimmer. It's missing the guard because that had busted off. I tried gluing it, but nope, wouldn't stay. Anyways, this thing was put away like 10-11 years ago, put in the basement. That's just a crawl space, damp, humid, dark, and infested with spiders. But I brought it out and it was put away with fuel, everything in the system, no care whatsoever given, just put away and didn't think about it. I took it out, dumped the fuel, purged the primer bulb, and put in some nice new 2-stroke mixed 45-1, and it's mixed with steel premium. This is a model MG1E34F 25.4cc engine. Now this is a Meec brand, or Meec, it's a China brand, something from Jula, which is a Norwegian or Scandinavian, actually Swedish, but here in Norway also. It's sort of like Home Depot. I put fresh mix in, put the choke on, made sure the primer was working, put the throttle on full or semi-full half throttle, pulled it 2 times, the choke went off, I turned the choke off, pulled it 1 more time, and the thing ran. 3 pulls after being stored like 11 years. That's kind of amazing, guys. We don't have really the same fuel issues that I see in a lot of American or Canadian or English videos, but anyways, sometimes it's good to be lucky. I didn't have to really mess up my back too bad. I did feel it, but hey. Thank you for watching my videos, guys. Please subscribe, comment, share with your friends, and please follow me on social media. The links are down in the video description down below. I'll have another video out this Friday. See you soon, guys.